mentioned this petting as one of them. But whoever was in the station looked at me seriously, and then I withdrew because I knew my time will be, I actually knew I will not have time even to conclude whatever I was saying. When I asked later, I was told this is where we get pay, this is where we get something, but I wonder how my tax they pay out of this. So I would actually say that regulations concerning the same should be put in place. And then to add on that, Mr. Speaker, I should also say that school children should not be allowed to do the same. It should be regulated on what time petting starts and for what purpose, and how people can do it in a fair way. People call it's a jackpot, and some get a lot of money. As I do say that I'm not in support of the same, I also acknowledge that there are people who have actually benefited from the same. I know of one person who actually got 200 million. Of course, he became a millionaire in a day, but he used the money, I believe, positively. But now, I don't know how much tax he paid out of it, but imagining one person out of millions of Kenyans or hundreds and thousands, only one person benefit from the same. So I would say that as this House, we have to take it seriously, and I request the member who has brought it on the floor to take it into the next level, so that it is not only a motion, it can be appeal, and that is how it can gain, it can actually be regulated. Children have dropped out of school. Others have poor performance because of waste of time. I know of children who have also been beaten. Reason, their domestic work has not been done because they go out to do the same. And families have broken. Parents have been stolen from by their children, and others steal from others. So I want to support this motion in a very strong way and say that we should look more into it, and I request the member to go deeper into that and bring it in as a bill, and we will support it. Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker, for giving me this opportunity to contribute to the same. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Honorable members, I'm informed that we have